Hey guys, so today is October 6th, it's Monday, and I'm going to make a quick trade breakdown. So right here you can see the daily chart. So we are back at all-time highs once again. And before I drop down to the 50-minute chart, I want to show you first micro mini, so regular trading hours. And here you can see we are also obviously trading at all-time highs, but we have a huge new opening gap higher, and we have like 214 handles, so over 120 handles, which means we are in trading conditions, and therefore we only want to see the price reach, or at least reach, the upper quadrant, but we don't really want to see it reach even lower. And we also are more looking for higher prices afterwards, so that we can continue our trend with trading to the upper quadrant. So here we have basically the NQ on the 50-minute chart, but first I want to show you ES as well. So for ES we have also a huge higher time frame gap, so that's the new higher time frame gap from today. We have London low swept, we have New York open kill zone swept, and we have still the high of New York open kill zone, and we are not trading at all-time highs like NQ, but yeah, just to mention. So now back to NQ. So that's what basically is important to us. Right here we have the midnight opening price. We have both opening prices, the 8:30 and a 9:30 opening price stacked just over each other. So that's why they are not really clear. So right here we have London lows, we have also our higher time frame gap, and therefore you can already see the big SMT we have. So we have all-time highs right here. We scrapped the buy-side liquidity. The pre-market was really bullish. We traded higher, we overextended. And also what I forgot to mention, so right here we have also a higher time frame gap on the hourly chart. So 50-minute chart, now down to the 5-minute chart. Nothing really special in here, just as you can see right here, we really have high resistance. What I have to mention is that I forgot, or I wasn't really aware of the high time frame fair value gap right here, and that was a big mistake today, or what really just made me some problems or troubles, I don't know. We have clean New York open kill zone sell-side liquidity down here as well. So on a 1-minute chart, I will just break it down and then show you my executions. So right here is the opening, we traded lower, and then with sweeping the New York open kill zone, so that was all before 9:45, so nothing to trade in here for me. We traded higher, and to me, I didn't really had the higher time frame gap, so it looked like this to me, because I wasn't really aware of the fact that we basically traded into a 1-hour fair value gap. So it looked like this to me. So we had the higher time frame gap right here, midnight opening price, and yeah. And also ES was trading lower, as you saw right before, because we also created a bullish SMT with ES, so therefore we've created a bullish SMT with NQ, so for NQ, but therefore ES had to trade lower to take out all the lows right here. So we took out the London low on ES and also traded into the higher time frame gap right here. So that's the current higher time frame gap, so the daily from today. So yeah, ES was trading lower, NQ couldn't, and responsible is basically the 1-hour higher time frame fair value gap, and also regular trading hours with the upper quadrant. But yeah, so now basically to my trades, and it looks like a real mess, and it is definitely, but there's definitely also a thinking process, and nothing or there's always something to learn. I definitely made something wrong, I will explain it in a second, but I also made something right. So yeah, what was I thinking? So as I mentioned, I really wasn't aware of the high time frame fair value gap right here. we traded higher, and for me it looked like we had basically unfinished business down here. So also because ES was trading lower already, I thought NQ would follow, and therefore I shorted right here within after reacting of the inversion fair gap, and also within the 10 a.m. macro. So to me that looked like or it looks like yeah, just engineered sell-side liquidity, so like trendline liquidity, and I expected price basically to reach lower into the higher time frame fair value gap, but we couldn't. I got stopped right here, and then we basically cleared off the equal highs right here. And yeah, here really begins like my mistake. I revenge traded a lot today because I was really expecting a expansion in either higher or lower, and that's also like a bit of a mistake. You shouldn't trade if you don't have like a clear one-sided bias. So that's definitely what is what troubles, what's a huge problem in my trading style. So that I'm still trading if there's also like multiple setup choices or multiple buys which could be in play. So yeah, that's definitely a problem. I got stopped basically here and reversed because so now my thinking process was we basically had SMT, and I think to that point we did not had like the London SMT, London lows SMT, but I was aware of the fact that we had a higher time fair value gap right here. So I entered long, and I thought, okay, we are trading at all-time highs. We are or we already traded to the upper quadrant, so therefore I want to see price trade back to all-time highs once again. But yeah, as you can see right here, I got stopped once again. And I think or maybe I got stopped and reversed here. I don't really know. I do know that I tried longs once again here because of London lows, so because of the SMT. But at that point, you shouldn't really trade, even if ES looked to that point really clean. So it was around here, I think, where I entered. So we traded into a higher time frame gap. We scrapped London lows. We were definitely in a discount. So everything looked bullish. But as you can see, and he couldn't really follow because we just ran in a position to trade higher. So it was just a mess. We have like high resistance all over the place. So there's no way Enki could start actually a clean rally from here, or it could, but it's unlikely. And yeah, but nevertheless, we had a short-term run on stops. We had SMT, and therefore this setup is the only one, or until here, which is basically okay to trade. But as you can see right here, we couldn't close above the high, so that was only a liquidity sweep or a short-term run on stops. So actually, I think I could have already, with seeing we can't trade higher, so we can't close, and also like with seeing that the wick reacts perfectly to consequent encroachment right there, I could have gone break even, but I got stopped and I shorted once again because I knew, okay, we only stopped the liquidity right here, and then I was looking for an expansion lower because I was thinking, okay, we are also like only trading to consequent encroachment of the order block, and also more importantly, we have also like the opening range. And as you can see right here, really like the placement of the candle right here, and with some extensions lower, you could see that we would come back to around the level right here. So here we have still a huge imbalance. So especially on the 5-minute chart as well. So this is just a huge wick, but I wasn't thinking clearly because I just revenge traded all over the place. So we had already SMT, and you shouldn't expect that basically a higher time frame SMT, so like a 50-minute SMT gets completed within the same session. So that was really dumb actually. I just traded against my rule, so basically against a bullish SMT. It doesn't really make sense. We only scrapped so I was actually expecting a really deep expansion lower, so actually I was also not taking partials, just a mess today. But yeah, so that could have been maybe a trade to the sell side, but I would never trade it if I would be aware of the higher time frame gap. So I don't really know if I was actually at that point, but to trade it against it is just, as you can see right here, really high resistance. Nothing we want to take in here actually. Maybe the long right here after the SMT and the short and run on stop. So that's the only trade, only the long right here is the only trade I'm like content with. It's not really good, but I mean, it's not against my rules. So that's until now, that's the only trade that's not against my rules, I have to admit. And then actually I was like, okay, I knew there would be some expansion and we wouldn't get it lower. So I knew, okay, if NQ is this long in like a balanced price range, there will be expansion. So with clearing out the low right here, I was really, yeah, I don't know, stunned that we couldn't trade to consequent encroachment. But then we had like our London close macro, and here it was definitely really nice that we could, yeah, I don't know what I was shorting there once again. Yeah, because I was still in the short, I got stopped right here and I thought, okay, we'll still reach lower, but I traded against basically everything. I traded against the SMT, I traded against the high time frame, I traded against the regular trading hours conditions, so with the opening gap higher. So yeah, I just also like traded against the higher time frame farewell gap. I traded against the liquidity sweep. So I don't know what really was wrong today. Maybe because I was like too convinced that there would be a expansion. I don't know. But we have like to just wrap it up. So and yeah, basically then that's like the perfect setup which formed right here within the London close macro. So yeah, I realized after I got stopped that we are definitely not bearish. Yeah, finally I saw it as well, and we also reacted off the balanced price range. We had like a inversion farewell gap right here, and then I entered long. So and yeah, added right here. So the add is not optimal. Could have waited that we trade back into the inversion farewell gap. That right here is definitely time distortion, and then we really expanded higher. So I yeah, sold my first partial right here. I was looking for the buy side liquidity right here, so I sold here because ES swept the New York Open, no, the AM session. So we once again had basically SMT right here, but yeah. So and then I got stopped right here. So yeah, really interesting day. Maybe to or maybe in a nutshell, basically this would have been a loss, which I'm content with, and then I would have had like this winning trade. So these are the kind of trades I should have taken. And yeah, I wasn't really following my rules today. I don't really know why or why not. Yeah, I'm maybe also like too fixed on the lower time frame on the price, that I'm like always looking for patterns still. So I'm still maybe too much a pattern trader, and that's really bad actually, I have to admit. But yeah, we'll get there. And also I like how I actually analyzed the last trade. So I was really content that we will trade higher, and we yeah, I'm really proud that I also didn't took partials too early, because it was obvious that we would definitely go to the buy side liquidity on ES. So yeah, I'm really content with the last trade, and also basically rewarded me that I'm only lost around $40 or $43. So yeah, and that's like really good risk to reward actually, because I think I took like I don't know 5 losses and one winner. Yeah, really weird day today. Yeah, I don't know. I wasn't really looking too much on like regular trading hours on the high time frame chart. I was just too fixed on the 1 minute chart. Yeah. I will leave it there, and yeah, see you soon.
Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? feet? Who can take me higher? Show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, Show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for a tall man who can lift me on my feet, who can take me higher, show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, Who can take me higher? Show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement. Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me higher? Show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement. Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me higher? Show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement. Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me higher? Show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement. Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me higher? Show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement. Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me higher? Show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement. Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me higher? Show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Postman, can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement. Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me higher? Show me things I've never seen. Hey, Mr. Postman, can you give me what I need? Can you give me what I need? I'm looking for atonement. Who can lift me on my feet? Who can take me higher? Show me things I've never seen.